there, everyone. Okay, I am going to do a quick video just to kind of recap a few of the things for the week of May 12th through the 18th. This will be your very last work packet. So I'm going to go over this, and to know there's no sight words this week, so no new sight words because there's not a sight word test because we have to turn report cards in this week. And you guys will get them in on Tuesday the 19th, I think. All right, so let's get started. For Tuesday, May 12th, your morning writing is one of these writing sheets, and you're connecting a sentence. So you'll pick one from this column, one from the middle column, and one from the end column to make a complete sentence. This is showing a connecting word where it's taking kind of two thoughts and connecting together by a connecting word like because, and, when, or if. So you'll get to make up your own sentence. Then for math, you have a double-digit addition worksheet. Remember, add the ones column first, then the tens column. This is just a review of what we've been doing. For language, I sent your second semester sight words, so you can go over some of those and read some of those and review them. And then you're all going to do a long O CVCE word sheet. You have your word families, O's, OP, O, and all the words are here. So just say the word, trace the word, cut it out, and glue it in on the right word family. And then if you still have a reader at home, or you have one, you can do a reader, or if you want, you can do some free read. And then we're going to start a little zoo unit this week, and you have about 3 pages that have the name of an animal, and then there's pictures. So cut out the animal. So this one says giraffe. Find the giraffe, glue the giraffe here, write the word giraffe. You have 3 pages that have all those zoo animals on them. All right, so next we are going to go to Wednesday's work. On Wednesday, you will do a journal entry. I would like to meet. And it can be someone, it can be a movie star, it can be a cartoon character, it can be a movie character, it can be someone in real life, it can be someone you know, someone who's not here anymore. It can be anybody you would want it to be. And so I want to for you to write, who would you meet if you could meet anybody you could possibly meet, and why would you want to meet them? And then for math, we're just going to do a little review on our word problems. It's where it's kind of like a story, and then you have to turn it into an equation. And on this one, you have to decide by reading the story if it's addition or subtraction. So now remember, addition, it'll usually say how many did they have together, or how many did they have in all. And then when you have a subtraction one, it's usually how many are left, who had more than the other person. So you're looking for in all or together, or how many are left. So you will read the problem. Jake caught 8 frogs. Kate caught 2 frogs. How many frogs did they catch in all? So we want to know how many they caught together. So you're going to add 6 plus 2 equals, what is 6 plus 2? Yes, 8. Okay, so that's how you do that one. Then for language, you can go on Epic, getepic.com, and I have Wally and Molly Go to the Beach in your little mailbox for you to read. Then for language also, we have real and silly words. So if it's a real word, color it green. If it's a silly word, color it orange. So like this one, rag. Rag, that's a real word. So if it's real, you'll color it green. Now, where's one? Here's one. Rom, jix, jix, jix. Jix. I don't think jix is a real word. Okay, so then if it's a silly word, it's orange. Okay, then you're going to start a little project this week. Our project is we're kind of learning how to do a research, and research is when you learn about one topic, about tiger, So I have this little sheet for your parents to read to you, or to help you read, and it tells a few facts about a tiger. And then there's a book that comes along with it, and each day I have you doing a couple sheets, and it says, like on this first one, they are. Well, on this, it tells us they are the largest cats in the world. So you can write largest cats. You can write in the world if you want to write it all out. Largest cats in the world. And then I want you to draw a picture about it. So everything you need to complete this research project will be on here. But if you want to learn even more about the tiger, you can go ahead and you can pull up some YouTube videos. If you have any books that you can read, if some of you may have some books about tigers, but you can do some more research on your own and find out even more about tigers. So now we're going to move on to Thursday. You have for writing, it's a worksheet. Hold on, I'm trying to get it. Fun with where words. So this is kind of telling you where things are. Behind, beside, in, on, or under. So it kind of tells you where things are. So the ball is what the blanket. Is it on the blanket? Is it beside the blanket? You can pick which word you want to use to complete these sentences. Then, for math, we're going to practice our subtraction. Remember, subtraction is when we take away. So you take the first number, 8. So you had 8 of something. So you had 8 apples. It says subtract the minus sign, 3. So that means you had 8 apples, but you ate 3 of them. How many are left? Okay. So you don't have to use these zebras down here. You can use touch points. You can use number lines. You can count on your finger. You can use whatever works for you that you've learned for subtraction. Language for Thursday. You're going to do another section of your Success Maker math. Oh, that's for math. Language, readers, and then long and short vowel U. You've been doing these for the last few weeks. This one is the long vowel U. So it says U or If it says you color it yellow. If it says you color it orange. So you're just going to like sub. I hear So it's a short vowel U. So you will just look at all the pictures and decide if it's a long U or a short U. And then you'll do a couple more pages as far as for your science and social studies of your tiger research. On to Friday. Friday, your journal entry is, my superpower would be, if you could have any superpower, would you want to fly? Would you want to be strong? What would your superpower be? So write a complete sentence. And remember, when we write our complete sentence, our sentence begins with the uppercase, finger space in between words, and always remember punctuation at the end. All right, so math for Friday. We're going to do a coin review sheet. This time, we're going to look at each set and tell us how much money is there. So we know pennies are 1 cent, so 1, 2, 3. That'd be 3 cents. Then we go to the nickel. Remember, a nickel is 5 cents, so we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Dimes are worth 10, so you count by 10. Quarters, we've been practicing what 1 quarter is, 2 quarter, 3 quarters, 4 quarters. And then you have another one with nickels. So you'll just have to write right below it for each number how much money is there. For language, we have this little fun review sight word page. So it tells you wherever the word go is red, big is pink, no is brown, up is orange, this is purple, do is blue. So you'll color this beautiful butterfly according to this right down here. It tells you, depending on what the word is, that's the color you color it. Also, you can do some free choice reading. get that sheet out that has all the little boxes on it. Pick one of the boxes. Do whatever it says on that box. Pick a good book. That is, you can read a book that you've already read before. Reading a good book over and over is wonderful. It's wonderful practice. And then you will also do a few more pages on your research paper. Oops, I skipped to Monday. Sorry. Okay, Monday. Journal entry. It's free draw. On Monday, you will draw your picture. Any picture you want. Try to draw something that you haven't done before. That's my challenge. This is our last free draw journal entry. So try to draw a picture of something you have never drawn a picture for a journal entry before. And then your math for that day is, I know my shapes. It's reviewing our shapes. We're going to review 2D and 3D shapes. So here you're going to trace them. Here you're going to read the words. Here you're going to color them whatever color they say. And then, so if you, then you're going to color them here, whatever they say, but then all of them that are down here. Any square, so find squares. Oh, there's a square. It'll be red. All triangles will be blue. And so forth. So that's just reviewing your shapes. Language, it's just kind of reviewing some sight words. There's the op family, the ot family, and the og family. We're doing a short O this time. So you're going to put all the words that are in the op family from down here, ot here, og there. So like og, it ends in OG. So it would go in the og family. So you'll write it right there. And then I want you to write a sentence about this picture. And then you're going to end your fun little research project week by Monday. Your whole book should be done. Front cover colored and all the pages filled in. So you're going to end it by, I gave you this sheet. It's called a tiger craft. It's the different parts of a tiger. So color your tiger, cut out the pieces, and then glue it onto the piece of construction paper that I provided. And that is the end of your research project. Also, all the work from this week, you will keep. Do not return it to me. Okay? Because I won't be able to get it back to you, because we have a pickup on the 12th, and then we have a pickup on the 19th, and on the 19th it'll mainly be your report card, end of the year stuff, just some review sheets for you to do if you want, and just a few little other fun surprises. So that is the last week of school. It's a lot of just review and kind of tidying up our end of our kindergarten year. I am sorry we did not get to spend it together. I wish we could have, but you guys were doing amazing in March when it all ended. You guys are just keep practicing reading this summer, keep practicing writing, and you guys are going to be amazing. You're going to be excellent first graders, and I miss you greatly, and I can't wait to see people around school next year though. So when I see you, we'll get to say hi. So you guys take care. I will be sending out, let's see, an email in the next day or two to tell you about a special video that I'll be, for the end of the year video, I will be putting that everyone will want to watch. It's kind of like our end of the year awards ceremony. So keep an eye out for the email, and I hope everyone has a fabulous week. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call, text, anything you need to do, and I will answer them. See ya.